In the previous video, I showed you how we could add the developer tab to our workbook. So yeah, in this video, we'll be taking it further. So let's start. Yeah, so Excel VBA as it is, it's part of the VBA programming language, or it's a VBA programming language if you look at it. So it's only being added to the Excel application so that we can be able to extend its usage further. Uh, I mean, in the sense that okay, maybe there are some functionalities we might want to do with Excel, but then they are not being included into it. So we could take advantage of the Excel VBA and then add our add the work add that functionality into it. Yeah. So then that being said, so let's begin. So to start with it, we need to do something at first. Yeah. So we need to I would like to show you how you can actually record your macro. So when you record in the macro, what all that means is you you allow Excel kind of record everything you do on the Excel work on your workbook. So whenever you need to perform that action again, you can go back to your code and rerun it, and then it does the action again. So that's like the very big advantage of using the macro. So to get started with the macro, there is a button down here which you can just press to activate. So it's saying macro tree. Let's change it to something like my first macro. I mean, yeah, whenever you're naming your macro, there shouldn't be space. So you could do something like underscore first macro, and then my first macro. You click on enter. So that being said, so as we've done that, Excel, when you look at this, you see it actually changes to a kind of uh, stop favicon or so to speak. Yeah. So then whatever we type here, Excel records it. So let's see something like name and state. I have something. I have Lincoln. He stays in the room. I have Fatima. She stays in. She stays in. I have Toby, who stays in. Where? Lagos. So when we hit this stop button, the Excel stops recording whatever we are doing on the screen. So to see what we've done, click on this Visual Basic that you see here, and then you see this VBA project inside your modules. Let's click on it. So you see everything, like everything we've done so far. So it's you see something like range d dot select active cell dot formula rc1 equals this, blah 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 blah, things like that. So in the next video we'll actually see what we like to like go deep into this code and you get understand what's going on. So till then, see ya.